Ever pondered how sailors of yesteryears navigated the vast, unmarked oceans before the advent of GPS? The answer lies in a simple yet ingenious device, the sextant. A sextant, in essence, is a device that measures the angle between two visible objects. Its name comes from the Latin word sextus, which means 1/6, because the instrument's arc is 1/6 of a circle or 60 degrees. But how exactly does one use a sextant? Imagine standing on the deck of a ship in the middle of the ocean, sextant in hand. First, adjust the sextant's index arm to 0 on the scale. This action ensures the sextant is level and ready to measure an angle. Next, choose an object in the sky, such as a star or the sun, and move the index arm until the image of the celestial body appears in the sextant's mirror. It's crucial to note that looking directly at the sun can cause severe eye damage, so always use the provided filters when measuring the sun's angle. After aligning the celestial body in the mirror, choose a secondary object, typically the horizon. Adjust the index arm until the image of the horizon aligns with the image of the celestial body. Record the angle shown on the sextant scale. This angle, known as the altitude, is the angle between your line of sight to the celestial body and the horizon. Once you've captured the altitude, it's time to consult a nautical almanac. This book is a sailor's Bible, filled with the positions of celestial bodies at various times and dates. By comparing the measured altitude with the data in the almanac, you can pinpoint your position on Earth's surface. In summary, the sextant is a marvel of simplicity and precision. Its usage involves a few straightforward steps: setting the sextant to 0, aligning a celestial body in the mirror, aligning the horizon with the celestial body, recording the resulting angle, and consulting a nautical almanac. It's worth noting that despite the advent of modern technology, the sextant remains a valuable tool in navigation. It serves as a reliable backup when electronics fail, and as a way to keep traditional navigation skills alive. So the next time you gaze upon the stars, remember the humble sextant and the explorers of old who used it to traverse the globe. All in all, the sextant stands as a testament to human ingenuity, a bridge between the sailors of the past and the navigators of the future.